One of the best tilapia dishes you can order at iba pang mga Thai food na mura at masarap pa na natikman namin dito sa Concepcion Tarlac. Sobrang lapit lang. Pag dumaan kayo ng SCTEX, nasa around 15 minutes from SM Clark lang, nandito ka na. Ito yung vibe niya, very close to nature and refreshing yung peg. Nasa Google Maps sila at meron ding branch sa SM Tarlac. This place is called Thuk Thuk Restaurant and Pastries, open daily from 10 a.m. to 9 p.m. Natuwa ako sa service nila kasi pagbaba mo pa lang sa sasakyan, sasalubungin ka na ng nakapayong at bibigyan ka ng wet towels para makapag-refresh ka. For the most part, al fresco dining sila pero meron din itong conference room that you can rent pag merong mga meeting or small gatherings. At syempre, pag serve ng mga order natin, ang unang titikman, tom yum agad. Ang sarap ng level ng asim niya, may konting anghang din tapos merong seafood. Another one of my Thai food favorites ay ang papaya salad, so in-order din natin yan. This is super fresh and light, perfect ipares dito sa kanilang crispy pata. Medyo kakaiba rin yung serving nila nito kasi yung dipping sauce niya is Thai style, so merong lime and medyo maanghang. Etong dalawang dish na to goes so well together. Make sure orderin nyo yan ng sabay pag nag-visit kayo dito. Eto naman yung napaka-solid na tilapia dish nila. Ginger sauce yung pinili namin, medyo parang sweet and sour yung dating. The fish is crispy fried, tapos i-dip mo doon sa sauce niya. Nako, ang sarap. Pinaris namin yan sa kanilang bagoong fried rice. Meron siyang bits of pork sa taas with egg and green mangoes. Sa mga drinks naman, marami rin kayong pagpipilian pero ang pinili ko ay yung Thai milk tea at itong lemon cucumber. Kung mahilig ka sa gata na medyo maanghang, orderin mo itong Thai green curry, chicken yung ginamit nila na meat at maraming gulay. Kung hindi mo naman type yung bagoong fried rice na merong pork, pwede rin itong Thai fried rice na meron namang seafood. Medyo nagsisi ako at sa huli namin tinikman itong pad thai kasi kung nauna ko lang itong tinikman, nako baka ito yung naubos ko. It has that peanutty, savory goodness and maganda rin yung serving size. Good for sharing. If you're looking for something light, meron din silang spring rolls at yung medyo kakaiba dito compared sa ibang natikman kong spring roll, meron siyang konting asim kilig kasi they have parang pickled daikon radish on the inside, kaya iwas umay din. Nagsaserve din sila ng Filipino food. We tried their sisig which is super tasty. Just a tiny bit on the salty side for me. Konti lang naman, yung tipong pag pinapak mo, medyo parang maalat yung dating pero pag sinabay mo sa rice, okay na. We also had seafood chop suey and itong beef with kailan leaves na may kasama ring mushroom. The beef was tender and the dish was lightly seasoned. It was my first time trying kailan leaves and ang sabi nila, this is also known as Chinese broccoli. Apart from that, nagtry din kami ng chicken satay na merong dalawang klase ng dip. Tapos nagtry din tayo nitong duck na may kasamang red curry na sarsa. The sauce was thick, spicy, and herby and the duck was cooked really well. At feeling ko, medyo mapapalaban kayo sa extra rice dito. After that, finally magdi-dessert naman tayo and of course, automatic dyan yung mango sticky rice. Very generous doon sa coconut sauce, hindi masyadong matamis. At meron din sila ng mga frozen cheesecake. We tried it in 2 different flavors. They're super smooth and creamy at tamang-tama yung timpla for me. I'll be flashing the prices ng mga in-order namin para makita nyo, grabe ang mura tapos malaki yung serving. Perfect for families and big groups yung mag-e-enjoy kayong lahat nang hindi na-break yung budget at pwedeng-pwede ring magpa-cater dito sa Thuk Thuk Restaurant and Pastries.